my God. Holy shit. Holy shit. I caught her. She's okay. It's okay. Whew. She was falling down the stairs. It's okay. It's good we saw her when we did. Yeah, I bet you're spitting out. Holy moly. Yeah. You do not go down this stairs. I hope that touched you. You gotta make sure this door's shut all the way. Did she scratch her nose? Did you scratch your nose? She thinks it's funny. Look at her. She's like, yeah. Alright, we're okay, girls. It's okay. Girl, you are crazy. When she heard me coming, she sped up and just went straight down.